In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable always show captions in my meeting on Microsoft Teams. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to enable or disable this feature, just go to your meeting. As you can see, my meeting is running here. So if this feature has been recurring on several meetings or you want it to recur on all your meetings, then head to more here, and then from here hover over to settings and you should see accessibility. If you tap on accessibility, now you can see we have captions here, and here you can allow to always show captions in my meetings by toggling on this. However, if you no longer need this feature, then you can disable it by just toggling it off like this. So if you had enabled, you see the captions will be shown on your meeting. However, if you disable this, then this will stop these captions forever in your meetings. So that's how you can disable or enable always show captions in meetings on Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.